Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Google Drive as Music Player. To get started, open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're on your main Drive page. This is where you'll set up a dedicated space for your music, which helps keep everything organized and easier to access later. Once you're in Google Drive, click on New Folder. Creating a separate folder for your music is a simple but useful step because it keeps your audio files in one place and makes them easier to manage when you are ready to play them. Next, type a folder name. Choose something clear and easy to remember, like a name that tells you this folder is for music. Keeping the folder name straightforward can save time later, especially if you plan to upload a lot of songs or different audio files over time. After naming the folder, click on Create. Your new folder will now appear in Google Drive. At this point, you've created the location where your music files will be stored. Now click on the folder you just created to open it and prepare it for uploads. This is the folder where your music collection will go. So once you're inside, you're ready for the next part of the setup. From inside the folder, click on New. This opens the menu that lets you add content directly into the folder. Since the goal here is to upload music files from your device, this is the menu you'll use to bring those files into Google Drive. Then, click on File Upload. Your computer's file browser will open, and from there you can select the music files you want to add. Depending on the size and number of your files, the upload may take a little time. It's a good idea to wait until the upload is fully complete before moving on, so all your music is available in the folder. Once that's done, you'll need to install a third-party music player app or browser extension, such as DriveTunes, in order to actually play the music from Google Drive more conveniently. Google Drive can store and preview files, but for a smoother music player experience, an external tool is usually needed. When you search for one, make sure to choose the official version so you avoid unreliable or unsafe copies. After that, your music files will be stored in Drive and ready to use with the player tool you installed. With your folder set up, your songs uploaded, and the right extension or app in place, Google Drive can work as a simple cloud-based music library.